Have you ever been on one of those random adventures that turn out to be one of the best times you've ever had? Like a last minute trip to the beach, or a spontaneous road trip with friends, or just saying why not to something completely unplanned? Well, that's exactly what happened when we found ourselves hiking through the breathtaking Batad Rice Terraces in Ifugao. What started as just an idea quickly turned into an unforgettable journey. Steep trails, endless steps, and views that make every drop of sweat worth it. This place isn't just a destination, it's an experience. One that feels like stepping into a postcard where nature and tradition blend perfectly. So let me take you along on this adventure. This is Batad Rice Terraces. Welcome to the province of Ifugao, my parents' hometown. But right now, we're exploring the Batad Rice Terraces, considered a World Heritage Site. So yeah, we're gonna go explore that. Unfortunately, we came here during January. Usually the best place to visit, so I've heard or read from the internet, is during May when it's the greenest. Yeah, we're here during January, so I don't know what it'll look like, but still pretty sure it's gonna be worth it. And if you're wondering why I have such a huge backpack, that's because I prepared for camping. That's why I have a big backpack. You don't really need this size of a backpack. You can bring a smaller one. But we have all our supplies here, our water, our snacks. So yeah, and extra clothes. Why? I wonder why. You'll see. And if you guys are wondering, this ain't the only place you can go to in Ifugao with beautiful scenery. There's a lot of mountains here too, like Mount Amuyao, which hopefully we're gonna hike this year. I hope it goes well. This is also why I keep telling my friends that we should go here. Just need to find the time. Hopefully though, this year. We'll see. What do you think?
It looks like an amphitheater.
And the registration is cheap, 50 pesos a person. So for any of you guys who wanna visit, yeah, it's fairly cheap. We arrived here kind of late. We started walking around 10:30. But if you're planning to go here, maybe start earlier because it gets really hot here. Along the trail there are stores where you can buy snacks or you can even eat, so food and drinks aren't that much of a problem. Also, when you plan on going here, you can opt for a guide. It's like 600 I think, or 1,000. Well, as you can see, some of the terraces have rice on them. It's not all of them. So yeah, like I said, best time of the year to go here is around May. So make sure to note that down if you're planning to go here. So I believe our route is from here. We go all the way up there. That's where the highest viewpoint is. And after that, we go all the way down to the other side. Like I said, it's really hot. And you have to watch where you're stepping because you're literally on the edge. One wrong move and you're wet. As you can see, we're just going across the terraces up to the viewpoint over there. This whole trail is about 5 kilometers, but it's full of stairs. So if you guys are not the fan of stairs, well, too bad. If you're going here, make sure to bring sunscreen, because if you're caught in the middle of the day, the blazing sun, you're gonna get burned. After we go all the way up there, we're gonna come back here. I think that's the way. And then if you can see, there's a small trail over there. Get a load of that. Lot of steps. Very steep. Better do your stretching before going up the stairs. Make sure to stay hydrated when doing this. Woo! We're getting higher and higher. And the view just keeps getting better and better. Look who's tired.
I'm gonna die.
And I told her a few weeks back na we're gonna start hiking a lot more. You wanna come? Nope. Any of you guys guess just how old these rice terraces are? Leave it down in the comments below. I think we're here, guys. Well, we made it to the falls. It's called Tappiya Falls, and the water is freezing cold.
So
But it is, as you can see, beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna maybe stay here for like 40 minutes or an hour or so and just enjoy the place. The water is cold, the wind is cold, everything is cold.
and it's very rocky, but it's very much worth it to go here. Yeah, 100%. 5 pine cones out of 5.
Life is made up of moments, fleeting, beautiful, and sometimes completely unexpected. The best adventures aren't just about the places we go, they're about the stories we create, the people we share them with, and the memories that stay with us long after the journey ends. Every trail we hike, every sunrise we chase, every step into the unknown, it all becomes a part of who we are. The laughter echoing through the mountains, the quiet moments staring at the horizon, the exhaustion that turns into pride when we finally reach the top. One day, we'll look back at these adventures, not just as places we visited, but as proof that we lived. So take the trip, climb the mountain, get lost in the moment, because these are the memories that will stay with us forever.
It's currently 2:45, so better start heading back because we got a long way up to the car. Which reminds me, there is parking if you're gonna come here without a tour. Yeah, there is parking. I think it's 100 or 150 for cars and 50 pesos for motorcycles. So on our way back, we go through the same way we came in, which is that way, all the way up there, and back out the other side. What you think?
I don't like. It's not like I have a choice.
Next time I call her for an adventure. Where? Are there stairs? Final leg of the trip almost closing. It makes you think just how creative humans can get. How do you think they set up the irrigation system of this place? And how did they even come up with the concept of layering their rice fields on the side of a mountain? It's also cool to think how resilient the people are. Just imagine this place has been here for how many years? Maybe 1,000. And it's still here and running. Pretty cool. And if you're one of those people who want to stay here for a night or so, they also offer accommodations. I'm pretty sure you can even stay in those traditional Ifugao houses if you want to try that out. Yeah, this place is wonderful. Highly recommend. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ifugao truly is a magical place for nature lovers and adventure seekers. I hope you enjoyed the short hike. Although short, it was really nice. If you want a longer video of us hiking, make sure to check out my last hike. I'll link it here. Or if you want to see my last camping video, which is over here, I'll link it over here.
yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next adventure, guys. Peace.